Hello, my name is Jamil and I'm a secondary Spanish teacher. This video is going to show you how to use Duolingo for schools. We will set up a new classroom, invite students, and assign an assignment. Afterwards, we will look at how your students join your classroom and complete assignments. The first thing that we're going to do is go to schools.duolingo.com. If this is your first time, you'll click Get Started. If you have an email address through your school, you can sign in through Sign Up with Google. I have an account, so I'm just going to click Login. This goes for anyone who already has a Duolingo account for learning a specific language. I'm going to log in with my Duolingo account. Now, as you'll see, it says Certified Educator. That just means that I've already created a classroom and invited students. For our video purposes, I'm going to create a new classroom. The next thing we need to do is invite our students. There's a couple ways to do this. If our students have an email address, we can send them a link through email or in Google Classroom. If your students do not have email addresses, you can create accounts for them by putting in their first and last name. It'll create a PDF with instructions for how each of these students can sign in. For this video, let's say that our students have email accounts. As you can see, you can share the link a couple of ways, posting it somewhere, sharing it on Remind or through Google Classroom, or even sharing this classroom code here. So at this point, we would wait for our students to sign up. Let's go to the student side and post that link that we just copied. Your student will get a join classroom message and it'll say that you, their teacher, will be able to see all their info. Tell them to just hit continue. Now if we go back to our teacher side, all of our students' names will appear and their level of experience as well. If you click on their names, you'll be able to see how many assignments they've completed, how many late assignments they've turned in, and how many assignments they're missing. Now let's go on the left and create an assignment. As you'll see, we can assign specific skills or reach a point goal. I like the idea of points because it allows students to go at their own pace. If they're more advanced, they'll get the same amount of points for completing advanced activities as would a beginner student. Let's click Collect Points. This shows you how the points of experience equivalent to the amount of time using Duolingo. Let's assign 100 XP, which is about 10 minutes a day for 5 days. Let's make it due on Friday, March 9th. After school, so about 3 p.m. for me. Assign now. Now, if we go back to our student profile, it will show all of the lessons we've completed or surpassed by testing. On the right, we'll see assignments that our teacher has assigned. If you click it, it tells you the details on how you can move up. You can either move on to the next lesson, which should be countries, or strengthen your skills, which is practicing skills that you've already learned. Well, that's it for this tutorial.